Hello my students, how are you? Today we will solve a lot of questions from المعاصر book, okay? Look at with me about question number 1. It's about unit 9, okay? Question number 1 here, 12 divided by 5 equals each of the following except space. He asked about except, okay? So we can write 12 over 5 equal 5 multiply 2 equal 10 and the remainder 2. Correct? Okay. He asked about except 5 over 12. Okay. So 12 over 5 not equal to 5 over 12. You must choose letter A about question number 1. It's wrong. Okay. We must choose letter A. But letter B is true and letter C is true and 2 plus 2 over 5 is true. So we must choose letter A about question number 1. Question number 2. The missing fraction on the opposite division is space. He asked about 14 divided by 5. We can find the result. 14 divided by 5 equal 2 and remainder what? 2 times 5 equal 10 and remainder 4. Yes, 2 times 5 equal 10 and then subtract between them 4. So we can write 14 over 5. It will be what? 5 in the numerator and 2 outside here and remainder will be 4. So we must write 4 over 5. We must choose letter B about question number 2. Question number 3. If we divide 7 oranges among 7 or 5 persons, then each person has space orange. We can divide it 7 by 5. Look at here, question number 3. We will divide it 7 by 5. 7 over 5 equal what? 5 here. 7 divided by 5 equal 1 and the remainder what? And the remainder 2. So then each person has 1 and 2 over 5. 1 and 2 over 5, okay? We must choose letter D. Question number 4. 6 and a half equal space divided by 2. Okay. We must find the dividend. The dividend equal the divisor multiplied by the quotient. Yes. Look at here, question number 4. 6 and a half equal space divided by 2. Can you ask yourself about this unknown number? It's the dividend. The dividend equal divisor multiplied by the quotient. We can draw here to understand this operation. X divided by 2 equals 6 and a half. So to find the value of x, we must find the multiplication about divisor and the quotient. 2 multiply by 6 and a half. This dot refers to multiplication, okay? It's cross, okay? Multiplication about 2 and 6 and a half. X equal 2 multiply what? We can write 2 in the numerator. 2 times 6 equal 12. 12 plus 1 equal 13. And then we can simplify it, okay? 2 divided by 2 equal 1. Here we can cancel 2 digits here. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 1 times 3 equal, it's 13, okay, equal 13. 2 times 13 equal 13. So the result will be equal what? 13. Understood? So we must write here 13 about this number. X equal 13. We must choose letter C about question number 4. About question number 5. All the following expression each equal other except space. 22 over 7 not equal to 7 over 22. But 3 and 1 over 7 equal 22 over 7 and 22 over 7. So we must choose letter B. It's wrong. He asked about except. Okay, understood my students? He asked in this example about except. Except what? Except letter A. We must choose letter A or what? Letter B. Okay, letter B. Again, I will explain it here to know what I mean. Okay, we know letter A equal 22 divided by 7 equal 22 over 7. It will be 3 and the remainder 1. 3 times 7 equal 21 and the remainder 1. Okay, so it will be 22 over 7 or 3 and 1 over 7. It's true. A and D and C true. But we must choose in this example letter B. Letter B is the wrong. So we must choose letter B. He asked about except what? Letter B. We must choose letter B about question number 5. Question number 6. If Sandy put 5 kilograms of meat and wanted to divide it into 4 equally meals, then the number of kilograms in each meal equal space. We can divide it 5 by 4. 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and the remainder 1. So we must choose letter B. Okay. 5 divided by 4. We can write 4 here. 5 divided by 4 equal 1 and the remainder 1. So we must choose letter B about this example. Okay. Question number 7. Question number 7. 12 divided by 8 equal 1 and 1 over space. We can solve this example by simplest first. 12 over 8. We can divide it by 2 numerator and numerator. 12 divided by 2 or divided by 4 because the highest common factor between 12 and 8 equal 4. 12 divided by 4 equal 3 and 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then we can simplest it. 3 divided by 2 equal 1 and the remainder 1. We can write 2 here and 1 and the remainder 1. So we must write in the numerator here 2. We must write 2 in the numerator. Okay, understood this example? It's very easy, okay? Okay. Question letter 8. 14 divided by 5 equal space plus 2. We know 14 divided by 5 equal what? We must convert this example from improper to mixed number by divided. 14 divided by 5 equal what? Equal 2. Because 2 times 5 equal 10 and the remainder 4. So we can write 2 and 4 over 5 equal 2 plus 4 over 5. We can use commutative properties by replace the result 4 over 5 plus 2. So we must write here in space 4 over 5. Again, 14 divided by 5 equal what? Equal 2 and the remainder 4 because 2 times 5 equal 10 and the remainder 4. And the mixed number here 2 and 4 over 5 we can simplest the result by write 2 plus 4 over 5.